Today we're going to use the corner pop ruler to cut corners off of our blocks and replace them with other fabric. Today we're making a snowball block, and I'm going to start with a 6.5 inch square and two 3.25 inch squares. First thing we're going to do is we're going to stack our two smaller squares on top of each other, and we're going to cut them directly in half on the diagonal. So then you have 4 triangles, and on your larger square, the 6.5 inch square, you're going to angle it so it points towards you, and on your ruler you have quarters on one side and wholes and halves on the other. And we're going to use the whole side, and we're going to line it up so that our common diagonal lines up on the side and our 2 inch goes across the bottom. You're going to hold it down and cut that corner off. And you'll do that to all 4 sides of your block. So same thing, lining up your corner, common diagonal and horizontal on the 2, and cutting it off. Now that you have all 4 corners trimmed off, you'll lay your triangles right sides together on each one so that your diagonal covers, you'll split the difference between each side of your triangle. It doesn't have to be perfectly centered or anything. And then you'll go to your sewing machine and sew 1/4 inch on each one. There we go. Now that you're done sewing, you're going to head to the ironing board to press your seams. When you go to iron, first you want to set your seam just by applying the iron for a couple seconds on each seam, and then you want to press so that your seam goes outwards towards your corner. After you iron your block, you're going to want to trim it because it looks kind of wonky with all these little hangovers. So you're going to trim it to the same size that you cut that section off. So we cut it at 2, and you're going to line up your 2 diagonal on your seam, press it down, and trim both sides. And you'll do the same thing to all 4 corners. Once you have all 4 corners trimmed, you have a block ready to sew into your quilt. If you have any questions on this block or the ruler, you can leave them in the comments below or contact Nebraska Quilt Company.